Yo, what's happening? We're at the Beau Paris. There's a baby there. It's not yours, is it? There's a couple other kids. Another kid here.
Do you know that your neighbor across the road has a door on their lawn?
I know.
Yeah, I saw it.
Well, look at it with the vlog. It's so decorated.
The door on the lawn is a decoration.
It looks weird.
See that door down there?
So my parents brought me back this pencil a couple years ago from their vacation in Jamaica, and V10 is going nuts with it. This is where I had it, right on the counter. Oh, V10, that's glass. See, this is one of those moments where I have my coffee and I'm looking around for something sweet. There's a muffin, but they're not really sweet anyways, and I already had one for breakfast. And there's no cookies. I don't feel like eating like toast right now with jam or anything. So I go into my little stash, take out my 80% dark chocolate, 85% cocoa dark chocolate, and it's just enough to, well, along with the little bit of sugar in my coffee, it's enough to fill my craving for something sweet right now. And give me a little pick-me-up for the afternoon.
What's going on at the Beau Paris? Beau Paris. Dad.
What's going on, Jeff?
Tell me a story about, like,
A story about the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees.
Sonia. That's my sister Sonia.
Can you tell me about love?
Bye, everybody. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Good night.
I have 4 grandchildren. 4 of them are here.
Yeah,
And Jeff wants 10 kids. I don't think so, Tim. I can't handle 4. I can't handle more than that.
You won't have to. They get 10 kids and we'll be able to handle it.
They can't handle 1. She can't handle Jeff. How can she handle kids?
Jeff's a man, not a child.
Oh, Jenny! Don't say that! Oh, Jenny!
He's your son!
Oh, no! He was hatched! Jenny! Come on, an egg!
Came out of a dinosaur.
I thought he was a dinosaur! A Jeffrey saur! Jeffrey come out of a big fat egg! And there was no yolk in it! I just want to let you know, by the way, Jenny started it. She ran it 10K at 58 minutes and 31 seconds.
Hey, it's faster than that.
Oh, better than that?
57:56.
57:56.
No, 57:46.
57:46. She's a hero.
Please. Or that easy to be a hero.
She ran the best 10K in Eastern Canada. It is the best 10K. All the best runners in Eastern Canada come here to beat their times.
There's a
And
fast
Jenny actually ran that 10K. It's unbelievable.
Did you talk to people from out of town? Did you?
No,
No? Were there a lot of people from out of town?
they do out here because it's straight.
Yeah, there's a flat
She competed against an 81-year-old woman with a cane, and Jenny won. Yes.
Tripped her at the end.
Some of those older people, they were fast as older people.
I know, I used to hate that. That was the worst part of jogging these races, is you're jogging, and then like some 75-year-old passing you, and you're like, how is it possible?
Well,
Hi, Jeff. Comment ça va?
Hey, Jack.
Hey,
I did it like this, Mom.
what?
I did it like
Oh, you ripped it. I'll help you though.
but look at it. Look at it.
what's going on?
Crackers.
This is one of Mom's favorite things to do. I love crackers. You're supposed to say,
Betty,
Yo,
knock knock.
who's there?
None.
Not who?
None of your business.
Yeah, but why don't you go beat yourself? That's not even funny.
That's a good one.
I'm having some crispy mini.
Quaker.
Crisp,
they're not
crispy,
bad, eh? Do you
crunchy.
like them?
They'll pick. I like them.
They're good, eh?
Yeah, I do like them.
I bought them the other day because I wanted something low fat.
So I got my sister on the phone. Can you talk?
Yeah?
You're being vlogged.
No.
Guess what?
What?
I stopped at the post office
Yeah?
and got a t-shirt.
You got it.
Douchebag resistance. Philip DeFranco shirt, man. Look at that.
I
Philly,
wonder who got you that.
Philly D shirt.
He doesn't know who got it for him.
Oh, you don't know who got it for you?
Well, obviously you did. It's a Philly D shirt, man. That's awesome.
I know. I
Wait.
went on his website and I ordered one for you.
Awesome, dude.
Is it big enough?
It's double X. I'm gonna have to.
Oh, we just found the other light in her car.
I'm gonna wear it.
Is it gonna fit you?
Of course, it's gonna fit me. I'll wear it tomorrow. Yeah, man. It's
Okay.
Philly.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
You really like it?
Hey, man. Philly D shirt. It's way to go. Yeah. Did you get yourself one?
No.
I'll
I
show
just went out and ordered you one.
you. Sweet. I'll show you tomorrow.
Cool.
Good stuff, man. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Yo, got a Philly D shirt. I'd love to say Philip DeFranco sent it to me, but my sister had to buy it. My sister's pimping me out with Philly D stuff. Awesome. Okay, I'll take you. I'm gonna get you naked. Seriously, I'll get you. No, it's alright, I'll get you. We'll get her going, though.
Maybe 10.
We'll get it going.
What are you doing, Ted? Look, I'm here in the grocery bag. Ow! How's that tasting, Ten? Jardine sandals, not too good.